Welcome guys. So in this episode, I'll detail how to change wireless mouse battery. So if you use a wireless mouse and it's no longer working properly, maybe when you charge it, after charging you discover that the mouse is not working, then here in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change the battery or replace the battery. First, you need to get a replacement battery for your wireless mouse charger, something like this. So you can just check the video description below to see the wireless mouse battery and the version. So in the video description, I'm going to leave a link to get the wireless mouse battery so that I can use it after removing the wireless mouse battery from your mouse. So if your mouse is not working as expected, then it could be because the battery is weak. So after charging it a couple of minutes, then the mouse stopped working. Then basically you need to check whether the battery is gone or not. So here I'm going to show you how to change the battery. All you just need to do is a screw. So just go and get a screwdriver. I'm going to use this one. Then after that, take a look at one of the teeth that's going to fit into the wireless mouse so I can easily unscrew the wireless mouse. So here, I'm going to go with this one. Then go ahead and take your wireless mouse, open this space. Then there is a screw here on your wireless mouse. So just go ahead, unscrew this. You have to do this gently. And once you're screwed, then open the wireless mouse like this. Then this is what you're going to see, just like this. Then you see the wireless mouse battery. That's it. Just gently remove it. Now this is the negative side and then this is the positive side. So when you want to insert the wireless mouse battery back into it, you just need to make sure that the flat surface is where that is fixing this spring, while the edge is facing here. You see that? Then once you get a replacement battery for your wireless mouse, so it has to be a rechargeable battery. So make sure you get a rechargeable battery. You can get this from online vendors. And if you have any of these at home, just go ahead and replace the battery like this. So do it gently so that neither of the wires will have problem while you are fixing it. And do not touch anything, especially if you discover that this is not working, do not touch anything. Okay, then go back and then replace the wireless mouse cover just like this. It's not that hard to fix, so just make sure that the two keys here, so there are two keys here, these two keys, make sure they fix into this hole. And do not forget that this is where the wireless mouse charger is. Then this is how you're going to fix it. So now once it keys perfectly, go ahead and replace the screw. Just go ahead and replace the screw. Then screw it properly. Now, it is advisable to charge the wireless mouse for like 2 hours. If you're changing the battery, if the battery is new, then make sure you charge the wireless mouse for at least 2 hours. So this will make the battery fully charged before you start using. So that's basically how to change wireless mouse battery. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.